A man who walked onto the UNM campus with a gun last week had more than just that gun. We've learned he also had another and a lot of ammunition in his car. Now there's a campus-wide warning for students and staff to be on the lookout for him. News 13's Madeline Schmidt is live at UNM with more. Madeline?
Well, Kim, UNM police say Daniel Arushanov claimed he was carrying a firearm on campus so that way he could test law enforcement response time. UNM PD was called to the sub for a man with a gun a week ago. There, they found Arushanov, who is not a student, sitting alone at a table in the food court. According to a report, he was wearing a tie, bows in his hair, and an I voted sticker. Officers arrested him, and they did find a gun on him. They also found his car illegally parked in a handicap spot on Redondo Drive. Inside the car was another weapon and a lot of ammunition. He was charged for carrying a weapon on campus, but he has since bonded out of jail. Yesterday, the university sent out an alert warning students to watch out for him.
Definitely scary, and he shouldn't be bringing guns on campus.
I mean, it's scary. You know, as a student that goes here, it's disheartening.
Now, it was later discovered that Arushanov isn't even supposed to have a gun. That's because of a protective order out of California saying he cannot have a firearm until 2020. Kim, back to you.
Okay, thanks, Madeline. Now, UNM students are being asked to call campus police immediately if they do spot Arushanov on campus.